Hi, I'm Reuben Chesterman and I'm an MLI technician here at RAL Space. I knew someone who was working up in the team here at RAL Space, and actually when I left school I had a very similar job to what I do now, just with a different company, but still the clean room based sort of manufacturing side of things. But after working there, I took a gap year and where I went off and I did things like I volunteered in the Amazon rainforest, helping with the scientific studies out there. And when I got back from there, she let me know that there was a job vacancy up here at RAL Space. And so I applied and fortunately I got the job here. So my role at RAL Space is I'm a multi-layer installation technician. And what that is I manufacture the shiny blankets that go on the outside of satellites to keep them running at the optimal temperatures. So when they're exposed to the conditions of space, they don't run rather too hot or too cold, and the equipment on the inside keeps functioning properly. One of the things I really enjoy about this job is that it's very hands-on, very practical. I come from the start of the week with like essentially nothing, and by the end of it, I've made all this product. And it's really satisfying to know that it is eventually one day will make it up into space, which I think is really exciting. Something I'm going to make is eventually going to be orbiting the Earth or further afield. I also work within a really good team. Everyone here is really nice, really friendly. We have a laugh whilst doing it. And it's also the opportunity to work on loads of different projects, different things. Things are constantly changing here, which is, keeps the job fresh and interesting, which I really enjoy. I would say be passionate about what it is you want to do. I think if you're really passionate about the subject and the industry, that it's going to shine through and everyone will pick up on that, and it will really help you a long way. If I could tell my younger self anything, I would say keep going and keep trying. Always say yes to new experiences. When I was at school, I really struggled being dyslexic, so I never imagined that I would end up working somewhere like here. But I kept going, and yeah, and then here I am.